With ChromeOS, certain features do not work on my laptop, including the wireless network adapter nor the Bluetooth adapter. When I attempt to view network devices, there are no networks in range that show up. My laptop was previously configured to run Windows 10. Currently, it doesn't meet the requirements to upgrade to Windows 11. So I changed the operating system to ChromeOS. And I use a TP-Link Ethernet to USB adapter, because my laptop does not have an Ethernet port. The TP-Link Ethernet to USB adapter works great. You don't have to install any drivers. Once you plug in your network cable, ChromeOS automatically detects a network connection.